Hi.
Hi.
You look absolutely amazing with what you're wearing.
Thank you.
Would you like to talk about
Yeah,
your
please.
outfit? What inspired it?
This is by Vitan. So, syempre, Encantadio Chronicles Sangre is
Yes.
ongoing. And gusto ko lang na ma-resemble yung character ni Dea and as an air gem bearer, syempre, I go with the color blue.
Yes.
And may mga pa-flow-flow dyan para ma-resemble natin yung air gem.
And so, before I let you go, ano ang mga susubaybayan ng ating mga kapuso sa Sangre? Ano pang intay
Without
nila?
spoilers,
Nako.
syempre. Without
Of course.
spoilers. Without spoilers.
Marami pa, sobrang dami pa. Wala pa tayo doon sa exciting part. Papunta pa lang tayo doon.
Sige. Could you describe the exciting part in 3 words lang? Without giving away yan.
Amazing. Spectacular.
Wow.
Adventure.
Of course. What else can we expect from Encantadia? Thank you so much,
you.
Angel. Please do enjoy your night. Thank you
Yes,
so
kayo
much.
din, kayo
Thank
din.
you,
So
thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Amazing adventure, no?
Diba?
Alam niyo, dapat talaga tumututo kayo mga kapuso. Kasi
Amazing, spectacular,
Spectacular
adventure. Wow.